Um, IMD has already declared the onset of southwest monsoon over Kerala today, dated 30th of May 2024. Currently, the conditions are favoring for further advance of southwest monsoon over more parts of Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep area, Kerala, and some parts of Karnataka, along with Tamil Nadu, Bay of Bengal, and other northeastern regions. Once the monsoon has already arrived in Karnataka region, we will be able to provide an accurate weather information when it is going to advance over Goa. As per today's forecast, IMD Goa has issued isolated light rain activity at one or two places for next 4 days over North and South Goa districts. From day 5 onwards, we are expecting an increased rainfall activity. So we have issued the forecast for a few places over North and South Goa districts, and the intensity will be in the light to moderate rainfall region. And in the warning, we have issued thunderstorm warning for day 5, that is on 3rd June. So we will be giving an accurate information maybe in 2 days of time regarding the advance of monsoon over Goa region. The next update will be issued tomorrow. So we will be also updating it through our website and social media platforms.